Trying to build your credit but overwhelmed by the number of credit card options out there? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 credit cards in 2025 that are beginner-friendly, easy to get approved for, and actually help improve your credit score. Whether you have no credit, bad credit, or just want to give your score a boost, these cards are trusted, safe, and super effective. So stay with me, because the third one is a hidden gem most people overlook. Number 1 on our list is the Discover It Registered Trademark Secured Credit Card. This card is hands down one of the best starter cards in the market, and here's why. First, there's no annual fee. You'll start with a refundable deposit, usually around $200, which becomes your credit limit. But what really sets Discover apart? You actually earn cashback rewards, 2% at gas stations and restaurants, and 1% on everything else. More importantly, Discover reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. That means your responsible usage directly helps improve your score. And after just 7 months of on-time payments, you might be automatically upgraded to an unsecured card and get your deposit back. It's perfect if you're just starting out or rebuilding your score the smart way. Second is the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. If you've got a fair credit score or limited history, this is a great choice because it's an unsecured card, meaning no deposit required. There are no annual fees, no hidden charges, and it's known for fast approvals. What I love about Capital One is that after 6 months of on-time payments, they usually automatically increase your credit limit. That increase helps reduce your credit utilization ratio, which is one of the fastest ways to boost your credit score. Plus, the mobile app is clean and easy to use, helping you track payments, spending, and due dates, all without stress. Third, and this one's really innovative, is the Chime Credit Builder Visa Registered Trademark Credit Card. It's not a typical credit card, and that's a good thing. There's no credit check, no interest, and no minimum security deposit. You simply move money into your secured account and use that as your spending limit. The best part? It reports to all 3 credit bureaus just like a traditional card. So you're building your credit safely, without the risk of going into debt. It's especially ideal for people who've been denied before or just want a low-risk way to improve their score. The mobile experience is also one of the best, modern, clean, and beginner-friendly. So there you have it, the top 3 credit cards to build credit in 2025. Whether you choose Discover, Capital One, or Chime, each one offers a safe and effective way to grow your credit score the right way. I've added all the application links in the description below. Some even have special offers if you apply now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on personal finance, credit, and money hacks. See you in the next one.